How to show full cell content in Excel. Can't see the full content of an Excel cell. Whether it's a long sentence, a large number, or the result of a formula. There are several ways to view the entire content. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods. Method 1, AutoFit column width. The quickest solution is to resize the column. Move your mouse to the right edge of the column header. Then double-click when the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow. Excel automatically adjusts the column width to fit the longest value. This is quick and easy, but it also changes the layout of your worksheet, which may not be what you want. Method 2, wrap text. If you don't want to make the column wider, try wrap text. Select the cells you want to show full contents. Then click wrap text under the Home tab. Excel displays the entire cell content on multiple lines within the same column. If all the text isn't visible, adjust the row height as needed. This keeps the column width unchanged, but it increases the row height, which can also affect your worksheet layout. If you simply want to read the full cell content without resizing columns or rows, Hover View in Kutools for Excel is a great solution. After installing Kutools for Excel, go to Kutools, View, Hover View. After enabling Hover View, just move your mouse over the cell that cannot be fully displayed. A preview box instantly displays the complete cell content. Hover View can display text, numbers, formula results, and formulas, making it much easier to inspect cell contents without changing your worksheet layout. Need to see the full contents of an Excel cell, and if you want to view everything without changing your worksheet layout, give Kutools Hover View a try. Thanks for watching.